Hi, everybody. Dawn McGee, your nutrition evangelist here. And today we're talking about sneakers. I put the fun back into being healthy. And one of the things that has been kind of fun for me over the last couple of months is I had committed to doing 8,000 steps a day, every day. I committed to do that during the month of November, and then it was going pretty well. So I decided to continue doing it all through December. Today being the 31st, I just finished my last committed day. And I'm going to continue it in the new year. I really enjoy the fresh air, the break from whatever is going on in the house, and getting out and moving. But that means I've been putting a lot more miles on my sneakers than I had in the past. And if you're doing the same thing, then you may also need to replace your sneakers. I had noticed over the last couple of weeks that my feet were a little bit more sore after my walks and a little bit more tired. And I looked down at the bottom of them and I said, ooh, it is probably past time to replace my sneakers. Now, my kiddo is really good about it. He wears through them in like 3 months and he says, Mom, it's time for new sneakers. For me, it's probably, 6 months or so. So every other time he's getting a new pair of sneakers, I need to replace mine as well. It's something that we all need to be aware of. And so I will share with you, because I got my brand new ones in the mail today. This is what the bottom of my old sneaker looked like. You can see, how worn out it is right here. Um, and this is my brand new sneaker, and you can see the treads. They are pristine. They're fluffy. They are there, right? What a remarkable difference between the two sneakers, and what a remarkable difference it makes on my feet. And that translates through my whole body. Why am I telling you all this? Well, because in order to really enjoy your workouts, you need to not be miserable after them. Now, some soreness is great, right? That means you're working, and that's a topic for a different live. But when your feet are like, oh, I don't want to do this anymore, then it's no longer fun, and you're not going to get any of the benefits. So, super important to have the right equipment. It can be as simple as updating your sneakers. So as you can see, right, I got the exact same pair. These are nice and clean. These have been well loved. Um, what a remarkable difference on the bottom. I know that tomorrow's walk is going to be a whole lot more enjoyable. I'm going to be lighter on my feet. They're not going to be achy when I come back. And what that does is it makes it much easier for me to go out the day after and the day after and the day after. So, just a little public service announcement as we go into the new year. I know lots of us are still working on our exercise habits and how to bring those into our daily lives. So, this is something super important. One of the best ways to make sure that your exercise habit sticks is to make sure that you have got good quality equipment, starting with your sneakers, having the right clothes. I always make sure that I've got the right layers when I go out for a walk outside. Here in Boston, it is well, it's not as chilly as it could be in December, but it's not exactly warm either. So make sure you've got the right equipment, and I hope you have a very happy New Year's Eve. It will, of course, be different for most of us than what it normally is, but next year is a new year, and everything is looking up. The spring is coming, so no worries. Stay the course. And until next week, what I hope for you is you live a life you love without being hungry, feeling deprived, or giving up your glass of wine with dinner. Ciao. Have fun.